So guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Canva. I'm gonna be teaching you how to use Canva even if you're a beginner. So Canva is an online software that you can use to design literally anything. Anything can be done here on Canva. Things like logos, YouTube thumbnail, channel art, poster, presentation, Instagram posts, anything that has to really do with graphics. You can literally do it on Canva here. You can come to the search bar and type in what the type of template you want, and you can get to see it. So when you look at pricing, they have the free version, they have the pro, enterprise, education, and the rest. So I'm still using the free version right now. It's working fine, and you can start now. It's forever free. You can start the pro version and get 2 weeks discount, 14 days, even the experiment discount as well. So let's go to the home page. So Canva has literally made my work easier. So let me show you the back end where all the magic is being done. This is where you're going to be spending most of the time, trying to create astonishing images, graphic design, logos for you or your clients. So if you want to do this, start with a blank canvas. Click on it and choose the template which you want. Let's say I like this template. See, it's once entered and it's entered. It's here already. I could say, okay, you know what? This guy is tried for me. Let me give you another location. So you can choose this or this. So let's look at this place. So this is upload. You can see all your uploaded video photos, or you can use it as well, to redesign everything. You can use your photo to redesign everything. You understand? You can see what I'm doing here. You can see what I'm doing here now. Yeah, so to see design this, you can add photos you want Canva have in the free stock photo. You can add elements, you can add text, you can add videos, background, and the rest of them. This web. So now, so that will be all for now. I'm going to do another video. I'm going to teach you in depth about how to use Canva in depthly. So if you want to see that video, subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification to receive more videos. So without wasting much of your time, I will come back and do another video how to use this Canva inside out. So this is just the beginning video. Thank you very much.